Oculus TV is a newly released software update to Oculus Go. It's shown right here. That is Oculus's standalone VR. What's going on, guys? 24/7 Tech here, and this is Oculus TV first impressions. So Oculus TV is nothing. It's no hardware actually. It's part of a software which is incorporated inside Oculus Go, and that's what we're going to be reviewing or looking at today.
As always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to watch some more awesome tech videos in the future.
Click before. Take 1 second out of this video to subscribe down below. It really helps me. 1 subscriber does make a difference, and let's go reach that goal of 1,000 subscribers. So back to the video. What is Oculus TV? So Oculus TV is actually an app which is inside Oculus Go right here, which is Oculus Go is a standalone VR headset with no phone attached to it. So it pretty much has everything inside it already. Oculus TV is an app for Oculus Go, and pretty much what you can do in it is watch TV in VR. So what Oculus is trying to do is bring, make the next big move in TV. He's trying to bring VR TV, TV VR, and you can pretty much watch your TV in a VR headset, and it's sort of like you're in the program, which is pretty cool actually. But the main question about this is, would people really use it in day-to-day life? We'll find out the answer to that upcoming. The feature that this Oculus says that this has is the equivalent to a 180-inch TV is pretty much the VR experience that you're going to be seeing. That's really nice because pretty much I think the whole viewing angle is just a big TV screen and you're literally inside it. That's actually really cool looking through that, and a 180-inch TV is really big, and Oculus is trying to create a very immersive experience, I think. And it's really nice because they're trying to entice the user to buy the product. But again, is it really useful? Not really for the usual consumer who just wants to plop in after work and just watch their favorite show. But for some person who's ready to take the next step, I'd say this Oculus TV might be fine to take a chance at, because Oculus Go is not that expensive to buy, and Oculus TV is not the only thing that you get with buying the Oculus Go, which is for a different video maybe in the future. If you guys want to see that, comment down below. I want to see the Oculus Go review. Something that I'm pretty enticed for with this is that you can use third-party apps in the Oculus TV hub. So some of these are Netflix, Hulu, Showtime, Anytime, and those are just some of them. But the main ones are Netflix and Hulu right there, and I think there might be some VR content in that you can watch in VR, or maybe they just enhance experience to just make it a 180-inch screen, which I'd be fine with. So that's the thing that I'm really hyped up for, because yeah, you're not gonna really get like the Fox, CBS, all those channels on the Oculus TV already, but if you go through Netflix and Hulu, you can watch your favorite shows right in VR, or even if it's not immersive, it probably makes the screen size at least bigger from your, let's say, 60-inch TV, 3 times bigger to a 180-inch TV. That's a really cool feature, and that's the best and most useful feature for a lot of people, because a lot of people binge watch during the weekend Netflix or Hulu, whatever they have, and they probably would like a bigger screen, but they don't want to afford that much. This is enter the Oculus Go and Oculus TV. Alright, let's get into the next segment of this video. If you're all about that sports, I'm more of an NFL person, but okay, there's something coming. MLB games will be broadcasted through Facebook Watch, and that's gonna be in Oculus TV. And also other sports, such as a really big hub for sports, ESPN, shown right here. That's a really big sports hub. Football games, all of them are on ESPN right there. And that's also going to be launching on Oculus TV. So Facebook's Oculus has really planned this out, I think, and Oculus is really trying to make a push towards the new TV without a TV. So Oculus TV has really cool features going for it. But honestly, will the average person buy it? We're coming back to this question every single time, and I'm gonna stop dragging this video for you guys. Let me answer that question right now. Oculus TV, is it worth it? Would the average person use it? The main answer is no. no one's gonna really use this in day-to-day life. What you're gonna do is you're just gonna get tired. You're not gonna really want to put a VR headset on, and that uncomfortable experience. Honestly, I'm not really a fan of VR headsets. I have a Samsung Gear VR that I got free with my S7 Edge like 2 years ago, and it's not really comfortable. And the picture is shown right here. It's like a strap hooking on and everything. I mean, the Oculus Go is a little better, I'd say. I mean, years have passed since I've got mine, so technology must have improved, cushioning and everything. But honestly, what's better than just having a bowl of popcorn, sitting back, laying down in your recliner chair with your massager, and just sitting back and watching some NFL, Sunday Night Football? Nothing's better than that, and I don't think a VR experience is going to really elevate the experience to a higher level. So Oculus TV, it's really cool, no doubt. I mean, that technology that Oculus has mastered is really, really cool. I'm not saying it's not, but I'm saying the average consumer, or even the person who's really a tech head like me, I don't see myself using it. So yeah, that's a nutshell of Oculus TV. Now let's talk about Oculus Go, if that's worth it, just for like another 30 seconds to a minute. The thing that you have to get with Oculus TV is Oculus Go, which is $200. It's shown right here. The headset's not that bad, honestly. One of the best features is that one, it's really cheap, and two, you don't need a mobile device or a phone like something like that to power it. So everything is inside. You've got literally RAM and everything storage inside it, which is really cool because, you know, it's sometimes your phone's not compatible with it, so you don't need a phone here. So that's another expense that you need to get for Oculus TV. And if you're not a VR person, I don't think shelling another $200 is worth it for this device. That's it up for this video. Oculus TV first impression, not that bad, honestly, but I don't see myself using it. I don't see 99% of people using it. But you know what? I might try it sometime soon. I might buy an Oculus Go to get back into VR, but honestly, I don't see myself using it. So yeah, this is 24/7 Tech signing out, guys. As I said before, please subscribe down below. Each person can really help. And yeah, I'll catch you in the next video. See ya.